not the most organized person, but I try to organize the things I use more often. The 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto principle, is very interesting and I use it in my work and day-to-day life. Here are some examples. 80% of a town's traffic is on 20% of its road. 80% of products usage involves 20% of its features. So back to the project of the video, I have 3 things I use daily and they are spread all over the house, so I want them in one place. Basically, I need a bespoke tray for my things, so here we go. I want the bottom of the tray to have some grooves so there's airflow, and this is the perfect excuse to use this little Japanese plane. I will use this black milk paint because I like the look, and then seal it with some Danish oil. For protection and also to add some weathering on the leather, I will rub some Renaissance wax. On the bottom, I will glue up some questionable leather so the tray has more grip. And there you go, a short and sweet video. Like and subscribe because I'm gonna make more videos in the future.